Well, I'm in Spring, Texas at the pumpkin patch. It has a petting zoo. It's got a train, hay rides. One of the hay buggies. Now, I'm sure this guy at one time raised cows. He's got tons of farm equipment. We took the train around. Tons of farm equipment. So I'm sure he at one time raised cows and or something. And he has figured out a wonderful way to make a living from his property. He's got Christmas tree farm.
One ticket. One ticket.
Christmas tree farm. Christmas trees are everywhere. This is just one little patch of them. And I mean, everybody you're looking at paid $7 to get in unless they are under 2 years of age. So look at all the $7. Look at all the little $7 running around. Plus you pay $1 to ride the rides, the train, the jump houses and all that. That's $1. One ticket, $1 per ticket. So this is a money-making outfit. I mean, crazy. So just wanted you to see this. And then they got all the vendors. They charge 3 times the price for water than it should be. Anyway, took the grandkids here and just had a big time, but just wanted to show you a way to make money on your land. If you really wanted to, this would be the perfect way, because there are lots of little $7 running around here. There's some freebies, but there's a bunch of $7 running around too. $7 a pop. I would imagine there's, I don't know, 300 people here right now, maybe more. Lots of places take pictures like that. I know the camera's jiggling, but I didn't. I just decided to pick up the phone and shoot this. But anyway, just an idea. If you've got some land, this is throughout the month of October. Friday night, all day Saturday, all day Sunday, and then they have the Christmas tree. Pick your own, cut your own Christmas tree also. So it is it's a money-making do. You might want to think about doing something like this.
Wow. They're so nice. Yeah. What happens on Christmas? Hello? What happens during Christmas? You're having fun, hello? She's sleepy. There's a loose child.
All right, we're at the pumpkin patch in Spring, Texas, and we're gone.